so large. Let me see how large this is because this is insane. This is 4.5 by almost 6. So 4.5 by 5.5 roughly of pearls. Okay, look at all those pearls. You're getting 2 of those. Then you're getting all these puffy stickers. Now let me show you. Just the price of, for what they're charging, that like just covers the embellishments. It's almost like you're getting the book for free. It pretty much is. But look at this. You're getting, oh, Kim said, hi, Kim. She says, love the printable. Thank you. So look at that. You're getting 2 sheets of puffy stickers. And you're getting 2 sheets of these puffy stickers. Now, the cool thing about these stickers is those insides come out. So the machine couldn't take them out when they were making them. But let me show you how cool these are. The factory was a little surprised I wanted them like that. But look at that. The little pieces come out. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? I love that. So you get 2 sheets of these. You get 2 sheets of these puffy stickers. And last but not least, you get some sequin pieces. And you guys know, if you know us at all, you know I love my little sequin pieces. You're getting 4 of these cute little flowers. Okay, just for embellishments. Now, you can tell I love flowers, can't you? Now, let's look at this. You are getting pockets, and I don't remember how many. I think I know, but I'm not going to say. That dog is she eats cardstock. It's ridiculous. Okay, here we go. Oh, you're getting dividers, which is nice, right? Because you might need dividers. I'm just going to put those in there now. Now, you are getting, this is a pot. Okay, here's the deal, you guys. Here's the deal. You are getting the double pockets, the 4-pack. So this is a 4-pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. But wait, there's more. And hang on, it's hard to see. Let me move this. Okay. So 1, 2, see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. But flip it over. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an 8-pocket, my friends. This is an 8-pocket because this side and this side are different. I wanted this to be, they made these custom for me. I wanted these to be 2 separate pockets. So you get 8 pockets. You also get a flap. Now, on some of mine, I use the flap. On some of mine, I just tuck it in and don't use the flap and just put my items in there. The choice is yours. Why do I have the flap? Because if I didn't, people would say they wanted it. So it's easier to put it on there and have you tuck it in. You could even cut it off if it really bothered you. But I just recommend you tuck it in if you don't like that little extra flap. But it does keep everything inside. So this is an 8-pocket. And let's go back to this one. And you got my cute little logo on there, 8-pocket. You're getting 1, 2, 3 of those, 8 pockets. Then you are getting a 4-pocket. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 4-pocket. A 4-pocket. Jill's already saying, I can tell I'm going to need extra binders too. Jill, where am I going? I got you covered. Don't worry. Coming soon to a theater near you. But we're doing this one first. But yes, extra binders eventually will be available. Binders and extra pages. Okay. So here we go. This is the beginning one though. So this is the starter set. So this one is 4 pockets. 1, same thing as the other one. 2, 3, 4. You're getting 1, 2, 3 of those. Okay. Last but not least, you're getting the 2-pocket. So the 2-pocket is 1 on this side, 1 on this side. This one's nice and large. This one, just to give you an idea, got a sticker on there. Just to give you an idea, it is approximately 5 by 8, roughly, give or take. Okay. So you're getting 3 of those. So you're getting 9 pockets. You're also getting the cute little dividers. And don't forget, you can also put your little, you can draw, print that paper that's on my card, on my website. You can put anything in there if you want. Now, let me show you what this looks like put together. Okay. I didn't print off the thing yet. I need to. Are you ready? Get set. So there we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, and before I go further, I know some of you might say, Stephanie, does it fit in the fabric boxes? Of course it does. Right? Of course it does. That makes life better. You can also label on here what's inside if you want to. So you're all the the flower box, plastic boxes, the bows boxes, all future boxes will fit in the fabric boxes. And of course, this does also along with the stencil binder. Moving on. Here we go. Ready? This is what it looks like. Open it up. I have not put my tags on here yet. This is the flower section. So I have cute little seat. Those are the seat. This comes with the kit. This is an old one we did at Stamps of Life. We have some felt flowers in there. We have some flower puppy stickers. We have some more felt flowers, epoxy stickers. That was on HSN. These fun little flowers were in one of our kits at the Stamps of Life. We have regular cardstock stickers, puppy stickers. Remember, it's double-sided. Oh, missed one. This one's puppy stickers. More puppy stickers, because this is the flower section. More puppy stickers. Now we have the sticker, the stickers from, I think, the Sandals, stickers from the other item. Look at this. Now we're into the epoxy dots. So here's epoxy dots. Here's more epoxy dots. Here, okay, now we're into the sparkles. So this is like gems. These are glitter gems. These are fun little rhinestone flowers, more gems. Okay, I got to fill that one up too. There we go. This is like kind of the miscellaneous. So I have puffy stickers, epoxy stickers, puffy, epoxy. Then flip it one more time. Look at this, you guys. Now I have some regular hologram stickers in there. And I have some epoxy stickers that I took on HSN a long time ago. And I also have, this is like the miscellaneous. So I have some bows. I have some cute little pearl guys. I have some more sequin guys. I have cute little felt ice creams. And little stockings on this side also. Oh, and little stars on this side. So you can see having those flaps on there. See, having that flap on there, that's going to protect those little guys from falling out, right? I mean, you're not going to really shake your things this many times, but it's keeping all my little creatures right inside, right? Keeping them safe. But look at how many things in there. Now, I will be honest with you. Eventually, I see a lot of you, especially my lifers that are in our card kit, that get a lot of fun embellishments. I can see you having one for flowers, one for felt pieces, one for Christmas, one for Easter, one for spring, things like that. You can divide them any way you want to, but I could easily see one just full of flower items, right? Wood flowers, felt flowers, puppy sticker flowers, epoxy flowers, all of that. But look at that. All there, right there. So easy peasy. Keep them safe. Keep them organized. If you can see them, you will use them, right? And so when I say, oh gosh, I want some flowers. Where are my flowers? Oh, this is my flower section. Oh, I have those. I have, okay. Well, which flowers do I want? Oh, okay. Look at all these flowers that I have. I didn't know I had so many flowers. And now you'll be able to use what you have because you can see them. So you can see them. So Sandy's already asking, can we buy refills? Eventually, yes. So get the starter kit to start. Eventually, on my website, we will have extra binders and extra pages. But I need to give HSN the exclusive for a while. So that's why we only have this one to start. So just saying, though, if you get this with the embellishments that it comes with, it's like the binder's free because the embellishments are worth a ton, right? I'm just saying. Oh, Kathy's saying she loves the stencil binder with the sheet sheet under the stencil. Yes. So I have that too. Kathy, watch this. So this is the stencil binder that I took on. So I put a piece of cardstock behind my stencils so I can see them better. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to see them. It's easier to see them like this when they have the cardstock behind them. So yes, I definitely do that. Because if you did it without, I'll show you, just to give you an idea. If you do it without the cardstock, and this is going to get stuck a little bit. There we go. It's not as easy to see it, right? But when it's against the cardstock, you can see it much, much better, right? Isn't that awesome? Okay, my friends. Dun, dun, dun. That is what I am taking on the air at HSN on Tuesday. So now I need you all to give me a thumbs up, a heart, and a share, and a like, and all that good stuff, because it's time for our chat contest. Everyone can enter. If you're brand new to Stamps of Life, you can enter. If you've been around for 16 and a half years, like Ken and Stephanie have, you can enter. No purchase necessary. Everyone can enter in the chat. This is for to win I'm going to give out a couple, but a gift certificate to my website, Stamps of Life. And the question for you to answer in the chat the question for you to answer, and those of you that are just watching, please enter. You might as well. You have nothing to lose, right? Out of all the items I showed tonight, which one is your favorite? Is it the embellishment binder? Is it the felt flowers? Is it the sandals fold it? Is it the it's an octagon A2 card base? What item really just stood out in your brain and you're like, I have to have that one? So there's no wrong answer. The sandal fold it, Shirley said. Hi, Shirley. Shaker card. Oh, yeah, the shaker cards. The sandals and the best words. I love it. I love it. Octagon card base. You know what? I have a feeling that Octagon card base is going to be more popular than I expected. Just a warning. Octagon card. Yeah, a lot of you are saying Octagon card. Binder, you guys. This binder. Oh, I can't wait. I need to, you know what? I wonder if it's like pretty much the exact same size as the stencil one. But this printout on my website is free. It's under the extra section. It's a little bit bigger than you need for the stencil binder, so it will fit in the embellishment binder also. You'll just trim it down as needed. So I got to get one of those printed for me before I get to HSN. Also, there's a back one too. You could put something in the back. And you could use your label maker. So on this one, I just put on my label maker. Oh, hang on. Let me go 3. I just put stencils, which is kind of lame because it's a stencil binder. But I just wanted to be able to show that you could put you could put a label on there. So that just says stencils. Okay, what are your favorites? And don't forget, the more likes and hearts and shares that we have, the more gifts